We have a big job on Tesla. Can we buy right now? Any institution buying right this moment? We have a robot taxi news launch, and one day, on the same day, basically they have a big drop by 8.78%. What is next? Should we buy right now? Today, I will give you a bit more insight about Tesla. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to learn more and make more. Click like, subscribe, share with your friends. So basically, if you follow my channel, you will understand there's a safe point to buy is around 218 this point. And basically, I also give you a bit alert. Here we can sell it around 260. 260, we have a bit alert. Why? Because it dropped below the red. Okay, if you follow my channel, you are making 18% in just about 2 weeks. Okay, so if you're happy with this result, click like right now and share with your friend. So what happened is, I also mentioned if you have my the indicator, basically you can buy here, depends on your trade. Okay, but I also mentioned robot taxi, this kind of news. Usually the news they launch the product, you think the stock will go higher, right? But I tell you, usually they go opposite, because those news is the institution use it to push up the price, and then they're waiting to sell here. Okay, you're waiting to sell here. So do we have signal to buy here this moment? I will give you a bit more insight just about few more minutes later. Okay, so basically right now, if you hold for the long-term strategy, so short-term you reduce here, you sell here. If you're using the long-term strategy, you bought here, and suppose you should reduce also here. Because why? Because we drop below the blue. You can still make some profit. You can still make some profit. If you use my strategy, you need to subscribe to my exclusive indicator to tell you first the trend and the fund movement. So you can see the YM cheapest. What happened is, basically on this day, you can see the institution holding is reducing. And you can see also the big volume trade, they never change to green candle. And even on the top, after one top day, basically they drop below the red and they increase the net sell for big volume. You can see this indicator, YM big buy. Okay, this indicator basically track the big volume trade. Big volume trade. So right now, do we have any sign to tell us any big big funding coming in? First, we look at YM big buy. Do we have any big funding coming in? No. Second, do we have institution coming in, which is very important to tell us where is the relative low point? Do we have any? Not yet. So I want to give a bit alert. Now, not yet to buy. Not yet to buy. Because if you look at the pattern also, if you don't have my indicator, you need to have more pattern knowledge, which I'm going to show you how to do it. For the wave knowledge, which is wave one, wave A, B, C for the drop, right? So A, B, C. The B is a rebound. So I think the rebounds will be very soon. The rebounds will be like up. And I hope you don't catch any stock here, because the rebounds will be they will, after the rebounds, they have another drop, and at that time would be our buy point. Now, not yet. Not yet. Okay, so I want to give you a bit alert about Tesla, because I know you see this kind of a candle is quite dangerous. I know many people like to catch the falling knife somehow. I don't know why, but many people like to do it. But look at, for example, the previous peak here. What happened is they have a drop very similar. They have a drop down, they drop below the blue line, they have a rebound. You're right. Usually after those 8%, they will easily to have a rebound. What happened is, do we have OBOS? Let's see. We don't even have OBOS signal. So what happened is they rebound and then they continue to drop again. Okay. So what happened here will be A, B, C. So I need to give you a bit alert about this thing. Okay. Number one thing. Number two, how to buy, when to buy, how to catch this kind of candle. First thing I want you to have a mindset for trading is risk management is the first priority. Okay, we always reduce the risk. okay? Apart from the risk reward level, I want you to have information. First, don't catch the falling knife. Second, we need to have more confirmation to tell, hey, we can buy. For example, with my indicator, you can buy when they go above the red line. Minimum, this is minimum requirement. And then we look at the YM cheapest, okay? When they go above, do we have enough fund to support? Not yet. So you wait for a bit more. You wait for a bit more because we still don't have the blue line going downward. We still have the blue line going downward. That's why here, actually, if you have my indicator, you can trade with the red. If you don't have my indicator, I don't even give a video to try to mislead you. Okay, because we don't have a signal for the funding. We do have this signal, the YM big buy. For short-term trader, they go above the red, and YM big buy have the green candle showing. But green candle is still under zero, so it's still weak market. So you can still see, we will expect some pullback when they approaching the blue. They don't have enough momentum. They don't have enough power to go above the blue line. Okay, until when? Until first, YM cheapest go above this purple line. First thing. Second thing, YM big buy also go above zero. This is a very good sign to tell you, hey, we have enough fund to have a higher momentum in order to break through this kind of resistance. Okay, is it clear? So right now, do we have any funding right now come in? 1, 2, 3. Three indicator tell you we don't have enough fund to change this kind of trend. Okay, when we change the trend, we need external force, which is money for trading market. So we need either YM big buy or YM entry to tell you we have funding coming in, or YM cheapest. Okay, so the best is free. The best is, of course, the YM chip entry, because they're institution to tell you this is a relative low point. For example, if you look at history, 1, 2, 3 relative, right? So they try to train, they try to put in money into this stock, and then they don't buy in one day, they buy several times. Why? Because they have a lot of money. They don't want to tell you, hey, I'm buying. They tell you, you look at the volume. It's not really significantly changing. Can you tell that? They're not. They do it secretly. They don't even launch the news, say, hey, I'm buying Tesla right now. Tesla is very cheap. Do they do it? No, never. What they do is at the high point, they tell you, hey, robot taxi, come to buy. Why? Because they want to sell it. Okay, so we need to be a smarter. We need to tell the insight from the chart. And I want you to be a smarter trader, better investor also. So I want you to get ready for this kind of movement. So A, B, C. Okay, so be careful of this. So first thing, we look at the trend. The second thing, we look at the fund movement. Okay, so this is the update today, and I will give you the next video very soon. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you want to have this indicator, you can also click the link in the description. I see you in the next video. Happy weekend, everyone. Bye.